In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's gift using our pink zebra soaks. Look how beautiful that looks. First, you're going to begin with having water beads, a container, pigment, and your favorite pink zebra soaks. You are going to pour the water beads, and then look how they look. And then you are going to add like 4 to 6 cups of water. And then you're going to add your favorite pink zebra soaks. I added Flower Girl for this time. And of course you can add as much as you want. Then you're going to let them rest, and after 4 to 6 hours, look how big they get. Look at that, amazing. And it smells so good, guys. And now you're going to add color. And I recommend adding little by little until you get the color you desire. So I got the pink I wanted, and now I'm going to pass these beads to the container I'm going to use for the gift. And then I'm going to use those large sticks, and I'm going to put some hot glue there, and I'm going to put my go-kart, my favorite pink zebra go-kart there, and then I'm going to add whatever arrangements I want to add there. And then as you can see, I used styrofoam, and so I can insert the sticks with my favorite candy bars. And that's how it looks. And don't forget, we have a lot of go-karts, and they go very well with our pink zebra soaks. So spray so you can smell even more. And for my small one, I'm going to continue using my hot glue and more Valentine decorations, and I'm going to stick it there. And this one is smaller and it's more simple, as you can see. And I'm going to use some gift tissue paper so to hold it, and look how beautiful.